Hello guys, my name is Sam the Boss, aka STV, and today we are going to be printing something from this game, Fallout 4. We are going to be printing that thing right there on that thing, the FlashForge Finder. It is a very nice printer. I'll see if I can add a link in the description. Now, all this editing stuff is new to me, so I am using a very nice editing software. This is all done on an iPad. It's called Filmor. That is Filmr. And it's free to use. I'd recommend it to anyone that's starting out on YouTube. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. So, yeah, let's get on. Okay guys, so I just finished printing, so I'm going to clean it up a little, and then I'm going to take some markers. I know this is kind of weird, but this is really only the this is the only table I really had lying around here. So yeah, I'm going to sand these edges off. This came out really nicely on the top, although I do usually I would use something like support material or something like that, but this just came straight off of the rafter, so hopefully this won't mess it up or anything. So yeah. It is a little messy, but trash can to get all the stuff away in. But yeah, I'm doing this for my mom because I know she really likes gardening and stuff like that. Yeah, this is really messy. The inside doesn't matter so much because it's going to be full of dirt anyways, and I'm going to paint this all red and then gray on the edges because it's kind of hard to do just normal printing out red, because when I try and paint with gray, I'm using markers, so it's not like actual paint. It's going to be a lot harder if I do it in any other color aside from white, because white, it'll show just about every color aside from white. But yeah, okay. Right in my eye. It probably looks like I'm destroying a print, but I'm not. Getting these little support materials out. Dear God, this is a mess. Well, I'm going to finish this up, and then I'll be back once I am done Okay, so I'm here. I have all the holes pulled out. I have, now I pulled this out. Main support, it's still scraggly in here, but that's okay because most of this isn't going to be touchable anyway, since it's going to be covered with dirt. Yeah, I thought I did this. Dear God. Tried to get all the stuff out before I went back on. There we go, right here. There we go. That's all nice and smooth enough. Almost. There we go. Okay, well, yeah, that's what I got. Okay, so I ended up painting it all red. Or, well, this is supposed to be red. This is what it looks like when you properly spend hours and hours and hours and hours and hours painting it or drawing it. Now I did this one with this, which is a fine point, and I did this one with the non-fine point. So I just need to go over it a bunch of times with the coats. The gray obviously didn't come out too well, but I'm probably just gonna end up painting it with like acrylic or something. I am gonna do a little bit of the inside, but yeah, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some, or probably paint it, then put some dirt and plant in it, and go from there. Okay guys, so yeah, I had to start the video. But yeah, so you guys saw what it looked like before, all pink and kind of nasty looking. But yeah, look at this. Nice gray, really nice bright red. How'd that get on there? Look at that. Little white piece right there. That's weird. Well, whatever. But yeah, really, really nice. I'm probably gonna do a little bit more red. You know what, let me do this. It was really, really fun to do this. I'll show you guys the plant that will go in here. Well, I don't know what plant's gonna go in here, but I think it'll be a nice one. Probably not too big, obviously, because it's not, you know, a humongous plant holder. But I am gonna do the inside really quickly because I do want it to look like the whole thing's painted. Obviously, the whole thing's not gonna be painted. There's gonna be dirt in here, but or soil. But yeah, if you guys probably didn't, because I just went through the footage and I was trying to commentate, or yeah. Well, I was doing this, but it didn't really work out. But originally, I was gonna use this green. I'm colorblind, so it looks like it's gray to me. But obviously, this worked out much, much better. So, well, I don't know if it would have look better or not, but I'm assuming, you know, black, white, gray, so with that, and yeah. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. I am gonna show some more, but let me go ahead and paint this really quick. Please bear with me. I know this is a little annoying because it's, you know, whatever, but yeah, now as you guys know, Fallout 76 is not an amazing game. I don't think I really need to explain why, but this is from Fallout 4. I'll see if I can put an image next to it. This editing thing I'm doing with this, I'm using an iPad, so it is all kind of new to me. So if you hear me talking a lot about this, that's probably why. But I'm hoping this will come out better than all my other videos. Because this one I'm really trying to, I guess, impress you guys and make sure you guys like it, because you know, just trying to start a channel. Okay, wait, we almost have it. Connecting it. And I'm trying to do the tops. Now keep in mind, this is all white marble, just like you see in there. Look at that, you can see through the end. But this is all white marble in the beginning. I'm really happy that it's turned out like this. I've never had any print, even this, which I should just paint right now, which I'll, there. That works. I've never had any print ever turn out like this. And I do hope I do more 3D printing videos, because I do think you guys would enjoy them. I know I do. They're a bunch of fun for me. I hope they are for you guys. I hope they're as much fun to watch as they are to actually make. But trying to get in every little nook and cranny. And we are now officially, most definitely, I'm gonna say, let me try and use all this up. Done. Yeah, we're done. Okay, so now you see you have a little red on the inside. That way, once the soil goes up, it'll look like the whole thing's painted. And ooh, let me cover that up. Obviously, I did have a few mistakes here, but you know, you can't get everything perfect in a post-apocalyptic world. Now, obviously, this is supposed to be pre-war, so I am going to cover it up. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. That's obviously up to you guys. You guys are people watching and judging at home. You guys are amazing, and thank you for all the help. You guys are wonderful. So, you know, yeah, this is just wonderful. This is my first fully edited video. I haven't, mainly because the video programs that I was looking at, I was kind of like, you know what, I'm just gonna say no, because they're really expensive. Obviously I might get them later as my channel grows. But you know, for right now, I am using, yes, it didn't, oh my gosh, it fell before, I don't know if you guys saw that, but this is a huge thanks to Filmr. It is Filmr. It's a great editing tool. It's not sponsored, but it is an amazing tool. That's what you guys should see it in the bottom right corner. But yeah, this is what it looks like all painted and finished. And the reason why I did this, obviously I love Fallout 4, Fallout 76, as I said, not so much. But, and my mom loves gardening, so I figured, you know what, why not? She's getting her Master Gardener's degree, if she doesn't have it already. Yeah, so now we're gonna go and fill some, planting some soil. Okay guys, so this is it. Fully finished with a nice little plant in it. It's a spider plant, so we got mama plant and baby plant. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you have, please like the video. If you loved it and you'd like to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see all of you guys in the next one. Bye.